Why are pictures so important when it comes to online dating? So pictures are everything, right? So let's just break it down for a second. Can you imagine if a woman saw a profile and there was no pictures? She would have no reason to swipe, right? I mean, that's on the obvious common sense one end of the spectrum, okay? But now let's go a little bit further down the spectrum. Now you have pictures, but they're crappy. They're low resolution. It's hard to tell who you are. You know, it's like you're wearing some clothes that just don't look good on you. Maybe you're wearing sunglasses that's covering your face. Maybe you're with a bunch of friends that can't tell who it is. So you got to understand that as much as men are more visual, so men are more visual creatures, right? So if they end up seeing a woman, they're going to be more attracted to her at first due to how she looks. Now, online dating, it's the same thing in terms of how women view it, right? So like in person, you can get away with being maybe not the most attractive guy, but still attracting the woman because your behavior is what goes a further way. And that's what, makes her attracted in person. But online, all you have is photos. You can be a little witty or whatever in your bio, and that helps too, but everything is based on your photos. So you want to have the best photos on your profile so that you can have the best chance of her saying, oh, okay, this guy is an attractive guy. This guy looks good. Yes, this guy is someone I want to swipe right on, okay? So again, the idea here is for a guy, he might swipe right on a lot of women, because again, it's visual. It's visual for him. Like it's visual for him in terms of the fact that he is more attracted to a woman's looks, while women are also attracted to a man's looks as well. It's when it comes to doing this all online, even though she's more attracted to his behavior in person, online, it's all about what's happening with the pictures, because that's the only vibe that she can get from you. That's the only sense that she has from you is those pictures. That's all she has to work off of. So if you get new pictures and nothing happens on your online dating profile, so you try to get new pictures, the problem is a few things. One, it's just possible that maybe you're a person who is just not very photogenic. Your pictures just won't be that great in terms of what you look like, and you're gonna have to just do what you can do. This is also, by the way, this is like last resort we're talking here, is that your pictures are that bad, even if you get the most professional photos with the best person, that they're that bad that nothing's happening. But by the way, I've never seen that. Never seen someone go and get amazing professional photos and they don't get matches. They don't get any matches. I've never seen that happen. So what I'm saying is as long as you get professional photos, you are going to get matches. If you're not getting enough matches, then you need to be either swiping more, okay? You need to be swiping more, and you need to be spending more time on the apps, and you need to be on more dating apps as a whole, or dating sites, right? So you should be spending at least an hour a day. You should be spending at least 1 hour a day swiping if you want to get the best results. If you want the optimal results to get the most matches, you need to be swiping for 1 hour per day. Most people do that anyways, and do even more than that. My suggestion is you sit down for 1 hour at the same time every day and just swipe and message. And by the way, that's it. You don't have to be worried about getting bombarded by messages all day and having to respond. Just use that hour. So say it's 5 p.m. every single day. You'll use 5 p.m. every single day to go in there, respond to the messages, and do your swiping, and that's it. And don't even open the apps and sites until you go back the next day at the same time. So if they message you on the app, in that hour, you respond. But I would close down all your apps after the hour and not even pay attention until the next day. So yes, you do not pay attention to any messages or anything until the following day, as to make this a more efficient process for you. Also, it's going to look like you're a person who is busy, so you're not going to look so needy if you're just always very responsive. So that helps too. Pictures are what helps tremendously. That's what's going to get you over the edge. Most guys put the worst pictures up. They put bad angles of them. So one of the reasons why selfies are usually so bad, so there's all the statistics that if you have selfies Like if a man has selfies on a dating app, statistically, it ends up that those pictures do the worst is because you're taking a selfie like this. Like you're putting your well, you can't see what I'm doing right now, but I'm putting my phone like at this weird bottom angle. Guys don't usually know how to take good angles. So it's always too close and at a weird angle. That's why selfies never look good. And that's why you need to have someone professional who's going to guide you and get the best angles of you to make you look the best. So after you get your dating profile pictures, then put them up, then get on all the sites. And then after that, you can start swiping. I would completely delete your account. It's just a waste of time. You're not going to get the optimal results with bad pictures. So delete all your accounts. Don't even start until you have good pictures. Let me give you a little tip too. In every city, not every city has online dating photographers, but some do. So what you want to make sure you do is when you're trying to look for a photographer, if there's no online dating photographers in your city, you can just ask a wedding photographer. Their whole job is taking pictures of people. So they know how to take pictures of people, and that's what these pictures are. It's pictures of you. Getting a wedding photographer is actually a great way of hiring someone to do your photos for you for your online dating profile.